Its face looks like something from another planet. Around its snout, 22 tiny pink appendages spread like a living star, always moving, always feeling the world around it. That extraordinary nose is not just strange to look at. It is one of nature's most astonishing sensory tools. When it goes out to feed, the star-nosed mole becomes a tireless hunter of the marsh. It pushes through mud, dives, swims, and searches the soaked ground with rapid, almost frantic movements, finding insects, larvae, and tiny organisms in a fraction of a second, in a world where near deadly and without mercy, using the darkness to remain unnoticed. In a documentary about the world's swamps, few creatures capture the oldest, strangest, and most unsettling side of wild nature, quite like this survivor from the depths. In the coastal swamps, mangroves and estuaries of northern Australia and Southeast Asia, where fresh water blends with the sea and mud conceals everything beneath a calm surface, lives one of the most imposing reptiles on Earth. Among roots, low banks, and silent channels, it remains almost invisible, as if it were only part of the landscape. This is the saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile on the planet, and one of the absolute rulers of the tropical swamp. Brutal, unfolding in seconds beneath the dark water. In the swamps, few creatures represent the nervous, unpredictable, and razor-sharp side of wild nature quite like the piranha.